We have some breaking news coming in from the world of cricket. Shashank Manohar has been appointed as ICC chairman. This after he quit from BCCI president's post. Going across to Harini now. She's joining us from the Newspit for more on this development. Harini, this was pretty much on the expected lines, Shashank Manohar getting the ICC chairman's job.
Well, absolutely. What we're given to understand that he was the unopposed candidate, the first ICC's independent chairman. The new rule that has been passed by the ICC clearly states that no chairman can be associated with any national board. That is exactly the reason why we saw Shashank Manohar resigning from his position as the BCCI president. This, of course, coming in some time ago when he was the unopposed member. The procedure was pretty clear. If an independent individual was needed to get a nomination from member boards of the ICC, he needed one nomination, out of which two other members had to back that nomination. So there was a nomination and the support that was needed from two independent full member boards. And what we're given to understand right now that he was the unopposed candidate. He has got the support from majority of the member nations who form the ICC. Various other countries have supported his nominator, and he is the first independent ICC chairman. Now it remains to be seen right through. We've seen since the time he's jumped the ship of opting for the ICC over BCCI. There has been reaction from a lot of members, but this is pretty much on the expected lines that he had resigned from his position as the ICC president to continue or to get a new term as the ICC independent chairman.
And Harini, that also brings us to the question, who next as BCCI president? Are there any inputs on that you're picking up?
Well, what the procedure will be, essentially the BCCI will call for a special general meeting. This special general meeting needs to be called within another 10 to 12 days, after which there could be a decision in terms of who can be the new president. Anurag Thakur, the current BCCI secretary, is the front runner to take over and replace Shashank Manohar as the BCCI president. However, it remains to be seen who will be the secretary. There are various names doing the round, also that of Mr. Rajiv Shukla and Ajay Shirke. Now, these are the two outside contenders. Those are the names that are doing the round. But the news coming in right now from Dubai is that the ICC has confirmed that Shashank Manohar, former BCCI president, has been officially unopposed appointed as the new ICC independent chairman.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.